Pixel technology. The diagnosis of multiple sclerosis is as complex as the disease itself. The market currently lacks complete tools for collecting, grouping, and analyzing data from various diagnostic areas. Selective functions for segmentation of, for example, white matter and gray matter do not solve the problem. Information obtained from a wide variety of MRI techniques and data from clinical, ophthalmic, imaging, immunological, and neuropsychological research is required. Listening to the needs of doctors and having the patient's best interests in mind, we have created an innovative tool to solve this problem. MR-Immuno is a platform for a quick diagnostic and therapeutic decision in patients with focal damage to the central nervous system, as well as a system for the early diagnosis of multiple sclerosis using artificial intelligence methods. MR-Immuno provides analytical support for artificial intelligence and diagnostic tests. Magnetic resonance imaging of the brain, magnetic resonance imaging of the spinal cord, optical coherence tomography of the retina, neurological examination, laboratory test of blood, cerebrospinal fluid studies, serum and cerebrospinal fluid biomarkers. MR-Immuno focuses primarily on segmentation of brain structures and segmentation of demyelinating changes. Diagnostic paths were marked out by neurologists and radiologists, including parameters that were assigned a weight that influenced the final diagnosis, and the correlation between the parameters was assessed. The end result is a set of algorithms and a trained deep learning network that analyzes the available sets and presents in the form of a diagnostic panel a set of information along with the analysis, allowing the doctor to make a more precise diagnostic decision.
I think that the platform is very useful in the everyday work of neurologists, and it is also very useful for radiologists. And it is for sure that in the future we will need more and more such solutions, because we produce more and more medical data. And already at this time, this amount of data is too big for a single person to analyze in difficult medical cases. That's why we need to support our work on the everyday basis with platforms, digital tools like MR-Immuno.
MR-Immuno benefits the patient, medical facility, and the doctor. Speed up and improve your work. Start using MR-Immuno. Please contact us. Pixel technology.